Hello, Socks. Oh, you're climbing up to see us. Hello, Papa. Hello. What's the matter? Alright. You getting a horn? Yeah. You're old and you're getting horns still? Is that all about? I don't know. Just chilling. You're getting on a bit, aren't you? Look, cutie. What are you crying about? Still in your food trench? Hello. Oh, you're trying to nibble me fingers. That's nice of you, I think. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. Licking me fun. Don't blame me.